Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating an eye look just using one product. That one product being the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon. I've been seeing a ton of photos and videos basically of people creating eye looks just using one product, so I wanted to give it a try for myself, kind of see how easy it is to do. And if you like this video, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and definitely if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And without further ado, if you'd like to see how to create this look and kind of how it went on for myself, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and done most of my base. So for foundation, I went in with the new Dior. This is the Forever Skin Glow. I am in shade 1CR. And for contour, I went in with the Dior Backstage Contour Palette. This is in their Universal. There's just one shade of this. Now for the eyes, I wanted to actually try something a little bit different than just kind of your basic average black winged eyeliner. So I've been seeing a lot of videos and kind of tutorials, photos based on almost like a geometric shape to the eyeliner. So I thought I'd go ahead and give that a try. I am going to be using the Marc Jacobs. This is their Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in shade Brownie. I absolutely love this shade. It just makes my eyes pop. They look so gorgeous. The eyeliner itself is great. It's Marc Jacobs, so you can't really go wrong there. I'm gonna go ahead and just scoot you guys in a little bit closer. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with first my right eye. So I'm gonna kind of just pack the eyeliner onto the lash line here. Don't worry about it being messy or anything like that, because you're actually gonna go in with a smaller, kind of more densely packed brush, just like so, to get your line right. You can see here actually when I opened my eyes, it actually transferred some of the product onto the lid, which is okay because I kind of need to see where that's going to go when I do open my eyes anyways. Now here you are going to create a small wing. Now, normally this is kind of where I would stop. However, I'm going to take that same eyeliner and just kind of on my brush here, picking up a little bit of extra product and just joining those two lines. Once I have the product kind of placed in the area that I want, I'm going to take more of a shading brush. This is the Sephora Pro Smudge, so just a little bit bigger. Cover more kind of surface area with it. And just really back and forth, just to really blend that out. Now, because I do want to kind of darken up this area here, I'm just going to take some eyeliner and focus it in that area. Again, you don't need a lot. Be very light-handed with this, and it's going to be a lot of kind of back and forth, because if you go ahead and you put on too much, you can't really go back. Now I'm actually quite happy with how that looks as of right now. However, I do want to just darken that wing a little bit more. So taking that first brush here, again, just placing some product on the actual brush itself. And just kind of finalizing the shape that I want. All right, and I am actually quite happy with that and how that turned out. Now I'm going to go ahead and try and do the same thing on the other side and see how it goes. This is going to be one of those things that the more you do it, the easier it is. The second eye was a lot easier than the first eye, but I'll kind of give you guys a close-up look. So just a super easy way to use kind of that same eyeliner to do a little bit of a different look. So I'm actually very happy with how this turned out, and it's nice kind of almost leaving that eyelid bare. It's a good for like almost like an everyday kind of going to work look. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys back out. All right, so for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes first. And for mascara, I'm just going in with the Hourglass. This is the Caution mascara. I'm actually almost out of this stuff, so if you guys have any kind of recommendations on what you personally like and you think I should give a try, please let me know. Otherwise, I am just going to be going back to my same old Lancome Monsieur Big. This stuff was nice. It's just I wasn't getting as much volume as I get when I wear my Monsieur Big, so I think I'll probably go back to that one. All right, and for lips, I kind of want to throw on a little bit of a red lip, so I'm going to go in with my NARS. This is shade Cruella, and very lightly, just to kind of give almost like a tint to the lips. Because I'm gonna take my Lanolips, where is it? Lanolips Lemonade Lip Treatment and just place that over top. All right, and there you have it, a nice, quick, easy eye look just using the one product. If you are using an eyeliner kind of as a shadow or base, you're wanting to kind of smudge it out, make sure that it is a nice creamy texture. These Marc Jacobs are great, so if you're wanting to use anything like that, definitely go ahead and check out these guys. Otherwise, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will hope to see you all again soon.